Hello and welcome to Zeal's coverage of all updated news from June and July month. I am Sakshi Mani, your host with bulletins from Zeal Junior College, Sangli. College resumed from 1st June 2022. Workshop on communication was scheduled. International Yoga Day was celebrated vigorously on 21st June in Zeal premises. Zeal celebrated Honorable President's birthday. The felicitation program for 10th academic toppers of Zeal is arranged. Badminton tournament was organized. Zeal runs one-day campaign of fire extinguisher. Zeal reaches zenith of success in javelin throw and taekwondo competition. Guru Purnima is celebrated with great vigor. Commerce Department set doodle workshop. Terminal exam is set out successfully. Headlines in details. The summer has ended with the breeze of monsoon and it's time for institutes and schools to open their doors to a new academic year. From 1st June 2022, Zeal reopened classes for 11th and 12th as planned. The management of the institute has drafted plans for the coming academic year. All pupils got ready to focus on studies again. They are recalling all the strategies and making assurance to stay ahead of others and doing energy and curious to give their best. Workshop and seminar plays an important role for school and college. The workshop on communication was scheduled by Zeal Institution on 4th June 2022 by the resource person Mrs. Madhuri Deshpande. The session started with a light conversation with resource person on what is communication, how is it, why it's needed. Teachers are trained to become good communicator, good educator with knowledge, abilities and certain skills. Also, how to use it in classrooms, to understand students' mental state, to remove drawbacks, to change effective teaching methodology. Moving ahead, she explained about how to develop positive and accepting attitude towards students. She also explained and discussed how to create fun, experiential and innovative learning, effective joyful communication to ease tension between students and teacher and build a good rapport. The overall session was very informative and knowledge-giving. International Yoga Day is observed every year on June 21st to raise awareness about this ancient practice and to celebrate the physical and spiritual power that yoga has brought to the world. Yoga is a practice which plays an important role in relaxing the mind and body, boosting people's immunity system. Considering this, Zeal Institute also celebrated International Yoga Day on 21st June 2022. The event began with a brief introduction on Yoga Day by welcoming the guest of honor Ms. Ania Dahibhate, instructor and their team Poonam Pelwan, Vandana Pelwan and Shiza Mane. Warm-up exercise were taken and all the students practiced and these were explained simultaneously. The celebration concluded with the speech of Dr. Ania Dahibhate. She encouraged students to practice regular yoga and pranayam to remain fit and improve concentration. All faculty, staff and children were taught importance of yoga in their life and how to maintain the harmony between body and mind. The program concluded with tribute to KK as this day is celebrated as World's Music Day. Some students performed harmonious songs in the reminiscence of KK. The function ended with a vote of thanks by Mrs. Neha Sarda, Coordinator of Commerce Department. How different is 21st June? This is perfect time to give start for Honorable President S.M. Gadkar Sir to another year. Dedicating one's entire life to the service of humanity to build so many lives, bright future is blessed. The entire staff of Zeal and all pupils wished Honorable President of Zeal Education Society and invoke God's choices upon them. A memorizing song by students enthralled and delighted audience. In addition, there another alignment of alluring Rangoli drawing of President Sir by Mr. Jafar Sir and Abhijit Sir. This reveals affection, respect and admiration. All Zealians wished on inspirational, highly respected and honorable person to many more marvelous year ahead. A good father is one of the most unsung, unpraised, unnoticed and yet one of the most valuable assets in our society. The day honoring father is celebrated on 3rd Sunday of June. It is unable to bind words for the father, but we have some pupils from Zeal express their heartfelt feelings, sharing their eternal love and gratitude to their father. Here are some flickers with us. Let's see.
You describe your father? My father, whom I call Baba, is a motivational person who inspires me now and then. If God asks me to whom we like to become, then my answer would be my Baba. He is a person who take efforts daily and work day and night so that I can be a very successful person in my life. And I love my father so much. Happy Father's Day.
What inspiration do you get from your father?
As my father is a real estate developer, he provides shelter to the people. I will also dream to provide shelter to the needy people in my future.
Felicitation is acknowledgement for the achievement done and also makes one confident when it is publicly recognized. With this intention and to boost the morale of our meritorious students passing 10th examination, felicitation is arranged by Zeal on July 7th. 26 students who have scored more than 90% of marks have been hailed by giving memento. Director Honorable Bhadik Sir enthralled the students with his lively talk, giving the gathered students valuable tips for sustaining their present success in the future by using available accommodation and all facilities. He urged pupils to behold and keep steady pace. Principal Mrs. Meghali ma'am guided students to how to plan for study and what would be the role must have been played by teachers and parents too. The message she drove home with examples was not just to celebrate achievement but also to learn and gain wisdom from one's failure and rise and move ahead. Commerce Coordinator Mrs. Neha Madam prefaced and Ms. Madhuri Ma'am compared the program. On the July 9th, the badminton tournament has organized for the students of Zeal Junior College. Overall, the event was a great success as the participants came in huge number and with greater enthusiasm. It was a wonderful display of talent. They took up the challenges and gave their best when it mattered the most. The office barriers were enthusiastic and very keen to manage the event. There were some nail-biting finishes. The crowd lightened up the event. Huge crowd gathered to support the contestants. They weren't disappointed as they got to experience some wonderful display of talent and practice. There were 12 teams participated in the tournament. Best of 3 matches, single, mixed double and double were played to select the winner position as well as runner-up position. The team sharp rival with the team blind and fetched the glorious success. One-day campaign of fire extinguisher to create awareness among school students. On 30th July, one-day fire extinguisher campaign was organized to create awareness among students. Honorable Mr. Vijay Singh Pawar, Fire Extinguisher Officer, Sangli, Miraz, Kupwad, Municipal Corporation and his team visited to Zeal International School and Junior College. The officer interacted with all students with his demo session and practical session. He explained them how to overcome such a critical situation without panic and losing hopes. Disaster management is very essential in day-to-day life and we have to create awareness among all. The officer explained students fire extinguishers and their classification. The A, B, C rating systems defines the kinds of burning materials each fire extinguisher is designed to fight. The number in front of the A, B or C indicates the rating size of the fire the unit can extinguish. Fire safety is a factor driving the human growth in safer side. The session was more interactive as well as much informative. Our junior college wing students enthusiastically participated in practical and they exhibited their courage to overcome such crucial situation. Students realized that we people itself responsible for such incidents. We gave minute hints and major steps to help other people who tackle in the situation and we will save others' life too. The session was wonderful of sheer delight as receiving informative and insightful learning. Really such campaigns should be run through school because it become essential part of life nowadays. Physical education is an integral part of the total education system. It helps in the attainment of the ultimate aim of education, that is the achievement of holistic development. Games and sports play a vital role in the student's life. A student should study hard to be successful in competitive examinations, but we should also play games and sports to enjoy the healthy and vigor life. Along with bookish learning, a student should spend his or her time on games and sports also. We are proud to share that Taekwondo Association of Sangli organized 22nd District Level Taekwondo Championship 2022-23. Our junior college students bagged 2 medals respectively. Junior college under 44 kg Miss Ghazia Yasin Mushrif of 11th Commerce secured silver medal, and under 49 kg Miss Radhika Lakshmikant Sarda of 12th Commerce secured bronze medal. Also, Miss Siddhi Bamne of class 11 Science, who has secured phenomenal victory by bagging first position in the girls javelin throw event under 16 organized by Sangli District Amateur Athletic Association held on 23rd July 2022 at Jilla Kreda Sankul Sangli. She will represent Sangli District in the state level championship scheduled to be held in August 2022 at Amravati. Sports students are usually given relaxation in academic, but such enormous and dynamic students for their dedication, hard work, compassion and commitment towards their goal. Our students exhibited inner qualities with their practices. Prizes are instituted for outstanding performance in sports at district level. Our students have been outstanding performance in various categories winning position. They has been guiding by Zeal Sports Director Mr. Sharad Nagni. It is indeed a moment of pride and elation and exhilaration for Zeal. Director Mahadik Sir, Principal Meghali Ma'am extends congratulations, their promising performance and wishes more accomplishments and laudable journey. Guru Purnima is occasion celebrated as per the Hindu calendar of the Ashad month on the full moon day. As per Gregorian calendar, it falls in the month of July-August every year. The term derives its meaning from the combination of 2 Sanskrit words. Gu means darkness and Ru means a person who eliminates darkness. This year it comes on 13th July. This is a day to express gratitude, respect and regard for our eminent gurus. Zeal celebrated the auspicious day with great vigor. The program was preceded by invoking the blessings of the Almighty God with a prayer. The students gave informative speeches to showcase the role of gurus in fostering excellence and shaping young minds. The coordinator and faculties shared words of wisdom which filled every member of the spectator with utmost zeal and reverence. There were enchanting greeting cards made by students stating the significance of gurus in various spheres of life. Workshop is to give new ideas and inspiration to an artist and aspiration to the non-artist who want to be creative and express themselves. So, Commerce Department arranged one doodle workshop for students on 23rd July 2022. The main objective of this workshop is to impart knowledge on doodling and express oneself with the help of creativeness. It is a stress booster from day-to-day routine, engaging students with doodles so that they can do note, taking note, making this may actually increase their retention. It develops brainstorming, design thinking, visual storytellers. Students develop team support or common vision that comes to their mind with the help of visual representation. Workshop has been conducted by Ms. Sonal Saket Basrani, resource person. Ms. Sonal is an engineer and an MBA graduate by profession. Every individual has an artistic heart to express the emotions they have. Uplifting this quality, Mrs. Sonal has exhibited her artistic skills in several forms of art like doodle art, canvas painting, freehand drawing, etc. She has worked as an illustrator in the novel Head, Hearts and Thoughts. Now it's time to announce most awaiting terminal exam result, which was set out successfully for 12th standard. From PCB, Viraj Patil stood first, getting 91.33%. Sanket Mani secured second with 85.33% and Alia Gawandi got third rank with 84%. From PCM, Arjun Bhosle secured first with 94.67%. Vaishnavi Vijay Patil secured second with 89.33% and Anish Desai got third rank with 85.67%. Hearty congrats all the toppers and best wishes for all their future endeavors. So, this is all from month of June and July. We will catch you soon. Keep watching, stay connected and stay tuned.